My journey's it's been pretty long, but I feel like I'm at a good place right now. There's a lot of love in our family. My kids are my purpose in life. You think you're all gonna be here forever until they tell you you have heart failure. It never stopped to think that one day I'd be sick. I thought it was just something like give me a couple pills here and go home and be back in a week and we'll check you again. And that wasn't the case.
Ricky had not only a very weak heart, he also had a very dilated heart. And so it really couldn't keep up with the demands that a young middle-aged male would have.
Me and my local cardiologist, we kind of had like a sit-down meeting. And he's like, there's not really much we can do here for you. He suggested for me to go home, enjoy my family, and prepare for not waking up. He told me I had a high risk of sudden death. How can I be so young and yet so sick? I couldn't understand. He told me there was another option, that there was an advanced heart failure clinic a few hours away from my hometown. I had no idea there was even a clinic specializing in heart failure. Then I found out that my wife was pregnant. It gave me a purpose.
I think that what heart failure centers do very well is they individualize treatment. So we may not be able to offer you treatment A, B, C, or D, but maybe an amalgam of those. And so getting in where you can be evaluated as a person, not as a diagnosis, and find out what fits best, not only with you and your medical problems, but what fits best with you and your family.
Ever since I stepped into that clinic, it just changed my life around. He told me there's this device called the HeartMate 3, help you live a normal, better life, better quality of life. I was just thinking about my kids. If I don't do this, I probably won't be around to even see my son be born. The HeartMate 3, LVAD has given me my life back. The Advanced Heart Failure Clinic, I think, is a beacon of hope. Just a whole team of people that are just there to help you on your journey.
There aren't enough advanced heart failure centers out there, so people aren't familiar with the options that are available, the treatment regimens that are available. And the marked strides that have been made in the field in the past 10, 15 years.
My life with the HeartMate 3 has just been phenomenal. I can actually, do stuff with my kids. I can actually enjoy my family. We go walking a mile, 2 miles, but it just makes me feel so energetic, so full of life. I remember when I was going through all this heart failure, I would always say to myself, I just want a new heart. I just want another chance, and I got a perfect heart when I received my son. The most important part of any person's life should be their family. Be a part of their lives as much as possible.